Welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to talk about promoters and preliminary contracts. The word promoter is not defined either judicially or by the Parliament. As Judge Gross has stated, promoter is not a term of art, not a term of law, but a term of business. He is a person who brings about the incorporation and organization of the company. He takes all the preliminary steps, procures the subscription, files the necessary documents, gets the incorporation, registration done and sets the machinery of the company running. He takes out the certificate for commencement of business, public company, etc. His functions come to an end when he hands over the new company to a governing body like the board of directors. Next is preliminary contracts. Preliminary contract are the contracts entered by promoter for the incorporation of business. A promoter stands in a fiduciary position. His dealings must be open and fair. Thus, a promoter who starts a company and sells his property to the shareholders must faithfully disclose all the facts relating to the property. If he conceals, and the company incurs a loss, it may sue him and set aside the sale and also recover compensation. The leading case is Ranger vs. New Sombrero Phosphate Company. Facts: E, with a few others, bought a phosphate mine for $55,000. E formed a company with 5 directors including himself. 2 were abroad. The board of directors bought the said phosphate mine for $110,000. A prospectus was issued. Many took shares. The company failed. The liquidator sued the promoters, held promoters liable. In later cases it has been held that the disclosure should be made to the shareholders. There should be no hoodwinking of the shareholders. The other leading cases are Gluckstein vs. Barnes and Lidney vs. Bird. The disclosure by the promoters should be explicit and complete, otherwise the company may set aside the same and claim damages from the promoters. The promoters are liable for secret profits and the liability rises as soon as the company is formed. Further, regarding remuneration, the promoter is entitled to a reasonable remuneration for his services inasmuch as he will have put his energy, skill and knowledge in planning out and bring into existence the new company.